All right, quick video, guys. Wanted to point out to you something that's really important if you have your forward blue laser machine. I know I've been getting this. I've been getting comments on the YouTube channel, but I'm going to go into it anyway. They're having issues with the laser not burning properly. Before you call your contact person with forward, you want to make sure you get this. Let's see. The focal point, the actual eye down there, you want to make sure you get a swab and you wipe it down properly, because remember, when you're running your laser machine, there's a lot of dust particles moving around in here, and that's why you get all this black dust and residue. Most of it should go through the fan, but sometimes it does settle. Ever heard the phrase, until the dust settles? So you want to use, what I'm using here is 99% isopropyl alcohol. I don't know if that's the way you pronounce it, but anyway. And you want to get down there, look at the eye, and I'm kind of ducking down a little bit. The reason why you want to make sure you use 99% is because it evaporates super fast. So once you get your swab in there, you might notice a little bit of dust or a little bit of black on the swab. Let me see if I can bring it up to, you might be able to notice it. I know I can see it with the naked eye, but I don't know if the camera will catch it. But there is a little bit of black residue in there, and it's just particles that's in the air. So you want to do that every once in a while. Obviously, if you don't do it very often, like some people have told me they've never done it, they're going to see a lot of black in there. I haven't, because I do this regularly. But you see that little black spot right there? I don't know if that might be some of it, but let me see. It might just be burning from the laser. Yeah, there you go. So look, you see that? That's what it is. That's what it is. So you want to make sure you do this. Otherwise, you're asking for it. You're going to have phones being ruined or not properly burned. So do this important maintenance or cleaning before you do your next phone. I know Ford themselves says to do this every 5 runs or so, but hey, it does not hurt the machine at all if you do it every 2 or 3, or if you do it every single time. It's up to you, but you want to make sure you follow this simple maintenance tip, and that should keep any problems from occurring in the future. Thank you for watching.